Omaha is growing at a rapid pace and houses are popping up everywhere. But to keep up with that residential growth, we're going to need more of these. I'll call them man-made lakes with a bigger purpose. Just west of Elkhorn North High School, construction is in full swing at the future Marlin Peterman Recreation Area. It's just one of 3 active projects a part of the Papio Creek watershed and will help mitigate flooding in the Omaha metro.
And so you'll see sometime in the bigger rains that occur that some of these reservoirs will raise 4 to 6 feet in a 24-hour period. And so what that does is it's holding that water back from entering our streams and creeks all at one time.
Until recently, the Papio NRD would only prioritize one reservoir project at a time. But to keep up with development,
the way the Omaha metro area has grown, now we're building reservoirs in the middle of subdivisions. So we made those priority knowing that we need to get in there and get these built before actually it got developed completely around the reservoirs.
It can take 10 years to build a reservoir, from design to the permits and funding. But as Papio NRD General Manager John Winkler says,
you'll see these subdivisions will build in a matter of a year, 2 years. I mean, the homes are just getting cranked out.
The reservoir's main purpose is flood control, but the NRD also wants them to be used for recreation. Take Lake Flanagan, for example. Completed in 2018, it's now a popular spot among neighbors.
It's a very beautiful place to go.
It is.
A lot of activity, a lot of people.
I mean, I think it's great for fishing. I think it's great for families, as you know, to be able to paddleboard or to bike or walk.
Looking ahead, the next 5 years include 3 more priority projects, one in Bennington, Elkhorn, and Gretna. For more details on each of the different projects, you can find more information from the Papio NRD by going to this story on our webpage at 3newsnow.com.